Hello, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial I am discussing about the if and else statement. The if statement is the most basic of all the control flow statements. It tells your program to execute a certain section of code only if a particular test evaluates to true. An if statement can be followed by an optional else statement which executes when the boolean expression is false. Basically our if statement execute when our condition will be true. If our condition will not be true, then our else statement will be executed. If I seeing the flow diagram of if and else statement, then here first one our control flow will come into the condition and will check the if condition is true, then it will execute if code and just end the code. If our condition will be false, then it will comes into the else code. For example, if I taking if else, I have taken here if and class, and here main method is there, and I have taken a variable x is equal to 30 and just given a condition if x is less than 20, because our x is 30 and our condition showing that 30 is less than 20, the condition will be false, then our if statement body will not be executed, then our flow will come into the else part. We can see the else part will be executed. If I see this flow code in Eclipse, then we have clear picture about if and else statement. Here we can see our if and else statement code. Here we can see the same code I have executed here. When we run this piece of code, then our output should be this else body will be executed here, because our x is 30. If I run this code, here we can see that this is the else statement, because our if statement is false. If I taken this x is equal to 10, then we can see that this 10 is less than 20, then our if statement part will be executed. We can see this by running this code. We can see here this is if statement. Thank you for watching this video.